Hi, I'm Miss Megan, and this is DIY STEAM from Cooper-Siegel Community Library. Today we are going to make straw weaving. I'll show you how to do it right now. Okay, this is what you have in your kit. You have 3 straws, you have 3 white pieces of yarn, and you have a brightly colored, multicolored yarn. Go ahead and get the multicolored yarn ready to go. Here we are. Go and find some tape. You are going to take your 3 straws. You're going to tape them together at the top, giving yourself some space so that you can do your weaving. So kind of give yourself some space there. And tape them together like that. Set your white pieces of yarn aside. And then you're going to start with your colorful yarn. You're going to give yourself a pretty long tail before you start. So like that. And go over your first one, under your second one, over your third, and then you're going to turn around and go back. So I'm going to go under the red, then over the blue, and then I'm going to go around again, and I'm going to just keep going like that. We've done a couple different versions of weaving, and this one is actually pretty fast. I'm going to speed us up, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, you can keep weaving and you can do the whole section if you want. I'm going to stop right here and show you how to finish it up when you're ready to finish. So, track down a pair of scissors. Give yourself a nice long tail for your finishing thread. And then you're going to take these white pieces of yarn and put them through the straws. They should kind of just drop right down. There we are. I'm going to do the next one. Just going to drop it right down in there, and it should come out the other side. There we are. Last one, do it with the third. There it is at that other side. Okay. Okay, and now I'm ready to sort out my threads and finish things off. I'm going to cut the tape here off. get rid of that tape. And I'm going to carefully push my yarn, weaving up to the top here. And I'm going to tie my tail that I started out with to the closest white thread. Make a knot. And then I can do the same thing with these two. I can tie these two together to make a knot. Okay. And then I'm going to very carefully push my weaving off of these straws. Okay. Okay, there's my weaving. It's off the straws and it's on the white pieces of yarn. And then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my long tail and make a knot with the closest white thread. Whoops. Okay, my weaving is off the straws and it's on the white thread. I'm now going to do the same thing. I'm going to sort out my threads so that my weaving is kind of sorted out here. And I'm going to take this longest thread and knot it to the white one. And I'm going to take the other two white threads and knot them together. Okay, and then if you want to tidy things up a little bit more, you now have two over here and two on the right and two on the left, and you can knot those together. And do the same thing on the other side. You can knot your right and left pairs together. And then that should make a nice bracelet. Or you can use it as a bookmark. You can add some beads to decorate and do whatever you want next with your weaving. I hope you have fun with your yarn weaving. While I was thinking about weaving this week, it made me also think about spiders. Like in this book, Sneaky Spinning Baby Spiders by Sandra Markle. It's a really interesting book all about different types of spiders and how they spin their webs. You can check it out from the library and learn all about it. I hope you have a good week. Bye.